Weems the Adventure Guide here.
Oh, yeah.
Here with Stu, Jet, and Eric. All good people. And Kage. Don't forget Kage. Oh, wow. It's kind of fancy. But we're hiking up to a waterfall right now. It's a beautiful day. And yeah, this place doesn't really get hiked much. There's not too many people here.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the Weems Adventure channel. My name's Jet Rogers. It's always a pleasure to be here. I feel like an honored guest. So I'm gonna walk you guys for a little bit, alright? So join my travels. We're gonna go POV, guys, just like my favorite YouTube travel videos. Alright guys, so we have here nice roaring rapids with some large boulder mass. Pretty nice. You know what's cool about these rocks is that they're huge. They're big, man. They're really big. And the thing that made them this way was water and wind over time. You know, they used to be bigger rocks, but now they're smaller rocks. That's crazy, man. Crazy. Got some nice foliage, guys. Nice overcast from the trees, providing some comfortable shade. But it is a sunny, beautiful day. It's very Jurassic Park with its ferns and such.
So, we're hiking in the middle of the top of the mountain, middle of the woods now. We hiked about 6 miles, not 6 miles, 6 kilometers in about an hour. So that's some pretty good timing. Only 2 more kilometers to go. Shouldn't take us too long, and we should be pretty darn close to the waterfall. Hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully it's not all a big fat lie. We'll find out soon. But it's been good. Definitely got a sweat going. There's quite a bit of incline back there. But we're making it. We're almost there. I don't know how often this gets hiked. Probably a lot less often than it should. But it's a good thing because no one will be there. So be all to ourselves. Alright, stay tuned. What's up? So we made it past the main road trail. Now we have around 200 meters on a like actual genuine hiking trail, and it's pretty looks like it hasn't been touched in a long time. Harder than the markings. It's kind of sketchy with the leaves, kind of slippery, but we're getting close. It's pretty cool though with all these ferns and leaves and whatnot. But yeah, Kage's leading the way. So we finally made it to a waterfall, and look at this thing. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's huge. It's awesome. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. I can't even put words to it. Thank God we made it. That trail that we went to that was off the beaten path, so hard to get through, but it's so worth it. How cold is it? Dude, oh my God. Are we gonna die? Oh my God. Dude, I'm gonna get hypothermia. I'm scared.
Alright, got the remote. We'll be there and back.
Well, yeah, I guess we can climb back. Holy fuck.